Hi there, welcome to Creator. Today we'll take you through the animation timeline of Creator and its functionalities. The animation timeline panel is a horizontally arranged control interface located right at the bottom of the screen in video and 3D webpage projects. An animation timeline is the place where you can change how elements appear in the canvas at specific intervals by altering their properties with the help of keyframes. A keyframe is a reference point on the animation timeline which contains information about the values of position, rotation, scale, or any other animatable properties of the element. The animations can be created for 3D objects, images, videos, audios, texts, and camera. You can keyframe properties like position, rotation, scale, and opacity of the elements by just adding, adjusting, or removing keyframes, which allows you to create smooth animations. If the imported 3D object has embedded animation, that can also be added to the timeline and controlled. Currently, only GLB file format is supported in Creator. You can access the GLB animation section on the right panel. It'll show you all the animation clips as checkboxes. Check the required animation clips and they'll be added to the timeline. To begin, let's focus on animating specific properties of the object seen in the viewport. First, locate the cursor. By default, it's positioned at frame 0. Move it to a desired frame, for example frame 100. Now click on the diamond stroke icon corresponding to the property you want to animate. Let's say position. Great. The solid diamond button set on the timeline is the keyframe for the position property. Next, you can left click on the solid diamond button to select it and adjust the position of the object by entering the desired coordinates in the provided text fields. Let's move the position of the object to the right by changing the coordinates in the x-axis. To copy a keyframe, simply right-click on the keyframe and select Copy, or use the shortcut Ctrl+C. Move the cursor to another frame, let's say frame 200. Now right-click and paste the keyframe or use the shortcut Ctrl+V. You can select multiple keyframes by dragging and selecting on the timeline and adjust the position collectively or using Command and Control shortcuts. To delete a keyframe, right-click on the keyframe and select Delete, or use the Delete key on your keyboard. To control the speed of the animation, drag the keyframe and change the interval. You can follow the same process to adjust all the other properties available in the timeline, including the GLB animation property. You can continue setting keyframes at different frames to create a smooth animation that transitions between them. Once the keyframe is set with a time interval, the work area is highlighted in the animation timeline with two sliders at both the ends. The animation within the work area would be exported to the final output. You can move any of the sliders to a particular keyframe to adjust the work area as per your preference. Also, you can click in between the work area and move the entire space to the left or right. Now, let's explore some additional features. You can manipulate the cursor and work area automatically by using the options on the right side. The current button moves the cursor to the input frame instantly. You can adjust the work area by adding values in the start and end text fields. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit the Knowledge Center.